Ooh, the harsh truth about looks. Does looks matter? Does looks matter in picking up girls? Is it important to be good looking? You're gonna learn the answer right here in that video. Okay, in that video from the Dance Game Accelerator program. Right, say that 10 times fast. And you know, I'm not gonna sugarcoat you the truth. I'm not gonna market you some PUA shit. You know, like some companies that say looks don't matter, man. You just be fat and ugly and still get girls. I'm gonna tell you the harsh truth right here. Let's get into it. Let's get started with the truth about looks. Now, what have you been told in the pickup community? They tell you shit like looks doesn't matter. You can just learn this game thing and you'll get girls. And they show you examples of fat dudes, fight instructors, not gonna say their name, that get so many girls, right, and shit like that. But they're also just marketing you shit. Like, of course, looks helps to some extent. Like, why is there an entire industry about looks? Why do girls go to strip clubs to see men dancing in little underwear and that are really muscular and shit? Especially in a game where you mostly are physical and there's not much talking going on, then your looks will play a much greater role in creating attraction, seducing the girl, and bringing her home. And also with dance floor game, you have much shorter of a sample to convey your personality, which is kind of unfortunate, you know, I guess, because you know, with verbals, you have a bit more time to calibrate where the girl is at. You have many comebacks. You can do the whatever push-pull thing verbally. So now in dance floor game, because you have much shorter of a sample, you want to make sure that you really optimize that sample to the best, that you convey yourself to the best for that sample. I want you to consider joining a gym, get some freaking pipes. You don't have to be Arnold Schwarzenegger. You just have to look decent, okay? You have to go to the gym. Take care of yourself. If you're fat, lose that fucking weight. If you look like shit, you have shit fashion, get your fashion checked, okay? I'm not a fashion expert, but make sure that your colors match, that it at least fits, you know? That it makes your body look better, look in proportion, that you have a decent haircut as well. So there are many looks that you can get, you know, you can get the whether it's the douchebag summer look or the raver look or the whatever unique look that you wanna master, looks matter. So get that shit handled. Ho ho ho, wasn't that a treat? Motherfuckers. So if you like that video, sign up to the free training right here. I'm gonna put the link. Well, you learn how to kiss a girl in 60 seconds or less, and then on top of that you get a secret access link to the Dance Game Accelerator program. And if you want to see more, you can also just subscribe and you will see more previews of it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in the next preview. Peace.